Welcome to UKey Wallet. In this video, you'll learn how to back up your recovery phrase on UKey Core 26 using UKey Seed Tie. So what is UKey Seed Tie? UKey Seed Tie is a durable titanium plate, securely stores your recovery phrase offline using the BIP 39 standard. So instead of engraving the full words, UKey Seed Tie records their unique BIP 39 index numbers, keeping your recovery phrase protected without exposing it. To get started, on the UKey Core 26 home screen, select Backup. Select UKey Seed Tie as your backup method, then enter the device's passcode. To verify your wallet, you'll first be asked to enter your recovery phrase on the device. Select the length of your recovery phrase, which can be 12, 18, or 24 words. Then enter the words in order. The backup can start once the recovery phrase you entered is verified. This titanium plate offers two backup methods: backing up your recovery phrase either with the serial number or without it. To back up without the serial number, select Protection Not Turned On. Next, you'll see 12 numbers displayed one by one. Each number corresponds to a word in your recovery phrase, in the correct order from 1 to 12. Now, use the tool to stamp the digit codes shown on the screen precisely onto the titanium plate. Double-check the digit codes on the plate, then tap I've backed up. To verify, enter the correct numerical codes to complete the process. The second method is to back up your recovery phrase using serial number protection. Select Use Serial Number for security protection. Enter the correct serial number from your UKey Seed Tie. Then the codes will be shuffled algorithmically. The order of these codes is different from the original one. Use the tool to stamp the digit codes displayed on the screen onto the titanium plate. Also double-check the codes, then verify them by entering the correct numerical codes. Your wallet is now successfully backed up. Your recovery phrase is now securely stored on your UKey Seed Tie. Keep it in a safe place. If you ever lose your wallet, simply use this titanium plate to restore it.